Hello class, welcome to Supply and Demand lesson number 5. This one is on price floors and price ceilings. This is a very short lesson and we really covered this already with comparative statics, but thought maybe for completeness we needed to do it here. So the first question is the price floor or price ceiling binding or non-binding? If it's non-binding, then nothing happens and equilibrium is undisturbed. And if it's binding, then we move out of equilibrium and quantity demanded and quantity supplied move in opposite directions. So let's try a price floor. Imagine a very low price floor. So let's put the price floor way down here. Remember, a price floor is just a law that says the price can be above the floor but not below. So if you set the price floor very low and equilibrium is up here, it will be non-binding because the natural order of affairs is trying to set equilibrium here, and that doesn't violate the price floor. As the price floor moves up, say to here, it's still non-binding because it's below equilibrium. But if the price floor gets high enough, say up here somewhere, then it's binding because the natural order of affairs is trying to set the price here at equilibrium, but you got a law that says the price can't go below the price floor. So in this situation, we're going to have a disequilibrium. This will be the quantity demanded, which was here, so it will decrease over to there, and the quantity supplied would be out here where the price floor hits a supply curve. So the quantity demanded decrease, the quantity supplied increase, and in between the two will be a surplus. So if you're filling out that chart, it would be the demand curve stays the same, supply curve stays the same, quantity demanded decreased, quantity supplied increased, and the price is indeterminate. Okay, so let's do the other one. Let's imagine a very high price ceiling. Remember now, a price ceiling is a law that says the price may be below the ceiling, it just may not be above. In this case, it would be non-binding because the natural order of affairs is setting the price here at equilibrium, which is below the ceiling, doesn't violate the ceiling, so it would be non-binding. Then as the ceiling were to fall, it's still non-binding because it's still above equilibrium. But if the price ceiling got low enough, now equilibrium, that is the natural order of affairs, is up here. That's above the mandated price ceiling, so we would go out of equilibrium. It would be binding. This would be the quantity demanded, which was over here. We'll move out to there. Quantity supplied will now be over here, which was here, so it'll move back down to there. And yeah, so the rules would be the demand curve stays the same, supply curve stayed the same, quantity demanded increased, quantity supplied decreased, and again, the price is indeterminate. Some people would argue, oh, come on, the price fell because this is the old equilibrium price and this is the new official government mandated price. And that would be true for these lucky people who can purchase the product. But remember, there's this tremendous shortage here. So all of these people want to buy the product at this price right here, but they're unable to buy it. So the price, whether it's gone up or down, is kind of indeterminate. It depends on who you are, whether you're one of these lucky people here or whether you're one of these unlucky people over here. Okay, so that's it. And next we will do the algebra of supply and demand.